Well, meanwhile, a huge road construction project on US 40 in Brazil is postponed again. News 10's Brittany Earl is live on location there to get an update on the situation. And Brittany, a lot of people want to know when this project will actually get underway.
Rondrell, that's a good question. This multi-million-dollar road project was supposed to be rescheduled for the end of this month. That's been put on hold once again. Now, the major resurfacing project was originally supposed to kick off at the beginning of April. Behind me is US 40, where the construction was supposed to start. Now, what happened was construction crews started to investigate and found contaminated soil underneath the roadway. That led them to this site over here to the side of me, where there used to be a former dry cleaning business. That chemical that they found inside the contaminated soil is called perchloroethylene, or also known as PERC. That put everything on hold, and now we have to wait one more month. But to better explain why and how they're going to clean up that process, joins me Debbie Calder with INDOT. And Debbie, please explain why the construction is going to be put on hold for another month.
The contractor had to hire an environmental consultant, and part of their job is to develop a contamination management plan. And part of that plan is giving our project personnel training for dealing with this contaminated soil. And one of the sessions they have to complete is a 40-hour training session, and the other one is a 24-hour training session. So that's going to take some time. So right now we believe another 4 weeks. We should be starting around the 1st of June.
Okay, and this is necessary in order to make sure that it's properly cleaned up. They have to kind of go through this process.
Definitely. They need to be able to know exactly what they're doing when we get to the contaminated soil, water, or debris, the pipes, when we're digging down and replacing the draining structures along this project.
All right, well, thank you so much for joining us and better explaining that for us. Now, as you can see, I'll just wrap up one more time. The construction project should be kicking off towards the beginning of June. That's the hopes there if everything goes off smoothly. But until then, it's just going to be a waiting process while they get better trained and learn how to clean up the process to keep everyone safe. Reporting live in Brazil, Indiana. Rondrell, back to you.
All right, thank you very much, Brittany, for that latest information on that construction project. Again, the new date is set for the beginning of June, and of course, News 10 will keep you informed if there are any further changes.